What's up, everybody? It is Julian, aka the Trader Medic. I am perhaps abnormally sitting in a little low float as the market's opening here. So I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but we will see. It seems to have quite a bit of momentum here. Market just opened.
Markets are now open. Good luck, everyone.
Up 2.2%. And I'm not going to stick around here for a while because I want to trade the Q options, but I just want to see if this breaks 1.6 at the open. I'm not going to lie, it's a little dicey. Maybe I'll put a stop loss in now the market's open. Let's go. I'm going to get stopped out. There we go. Okay, just lost a few bucks. No biggie. And let's go to my bread and butter. The Qs and the USO. I was going to short USO, but let's watch the Qs. Qs are my bread and butter. Maybe some 728 calls. Futures were ripping overnight. Good news coming out of the Middle East. Be patient here. There's a lot of pent-up demand because of the Memorial Day long weekend. So we got to be careful here and just make sure we get a good read what's going on. Got chopped up a little bit inside the range last week, so we, or at least on one of the days. So we just want to make sure we get some direction here. Probably a little bit of gravity because it's just up so much during the pre-market. What kind of levels could we look here for a bounce? I wonder. I think I had 722 as some support here. Down here. There you go. As it drops, I want to see how much the buyers are stepping in. Personally, I didn't feel like the news out of the Middle East was that good. So I was kind of surprised to see the futures up.
Members, markets are now open. Good luck, everyone.
Testing my audio there. So watching the level 2 on this call option here, 7.4, sorry, 3.4, 3.3 continues to drop. It's starting to feel a little risk off here, but it is early. We've been open for 5 minutes now. I think I'm going to go to some 727s. Ah, no, I'll leave it on 728. A little bit of buying there. Can see the wick. Okay, we could get a taster here, but I'm just going to be a little bit extra patient. Let's see how this candle behaves here. Still selling off here. Okay, well, that's different. Don't want to catch a fallen knife, as they say. Okay, we'll get a little taster in a minute here. Excuse me. Not seeing a ton of volume there. As you can see, the volume candles at the bottom there are not massive. So I don't know if I trust that price action there. Certainly not a lot of volume at all there. Let's have a look around here at USO. So USO is going up, which is traditionally bad for stocks. Well, I wouldn't say it's going up, but it's at the higher end of its range. So if I see USOs drop heavily, then that could be bullish for Qs. And this will come down and retest. This cracks that pink line there. I might take a little taster. Okay, we'll take a little taster there. Average price 359. Okay, entering the size 362. Average price 342 stop. Just turning green now. $349 stop. A little tight, but with size, what are you gonna do? Up 2.5%. Needs to clear this. By this, I mean VWAP. $352 stop, which is 10 points. This is looking pretty sweet action, up 6%. I'll probably take out half when it hits the upper side of the range here. Although ideally I would just sit through the blast, which I might actually just do. The volume is certainly coming in on the options here. You can see that over here, the volume candles. Up 7-8%. Eight 8%, 7.7. I'm going to try and hold this through the green line there. And 12%. %, 16%. Might come back and test VWAP again. %12.4%. %14. really going to try and hold these. These are 728s. We're at 726 and a half. %. I had resistance at 730. 20% or 19, yeah, 20% just hit. Really happy with my size here. It's looking pretty dope. 21 and a half, 22. Okay, don't be greedy. Maybe I will sell. It's hard because it's really like very bullish price action here. So.
Members, watching these markets continuing high, no headline in regards to this quick upside move in markets, but the strength is just continuing. No specific headlines for these moves.
24%. Just almost 26% here. Again, I got, oh my gosh, 30%. Okay, I'm selling, I'm gonna sell half here. It's up at 30%, dude. Selling it. Okay, I just sold half. It's up to 419. There's going to be a pullback here. There has to be. I'm going to sit in it. 29%. 30. It's going to come back and test 727 again, I'm guessing. Maybe even just the green line there. I'm okay with that. I'm already heavily into profits today. Guessing this is some kind of short squeeze. I guess a lot of people were holding puts over the weekend. Still sitting at like 29.5%. Cruising over 30% now. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, come on. If this doesn't make you want to trade options, I do not know what will. Let's go. Okay, a little bit of heat. A little bit of consolidation. This pushes up a little bit. I might sell another. Come on. You know you want to take out 728. Those are my calls. They're going to go parabolic. Everybody wants my calls. Let's go. Let's go. Just sitting at 29% right now. which is on any other day would be profit taking, but come on, let's go. Okay, it's taking some heat. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh. Maybe I'm being greedy. Come on. 29%. Push, push, push. Nah, it's struggling here. I don't know if I have the patience to sit through this. Okay, I'm going to sell another half here. Okay, I'm taking out. I'm getting out. I'm out. It's a pretty deep pullback. But I ain't done with you. Let's go look at USO here. Amazingly, USO is on its way up, which means the Qs is making no sense right now. I was going to short this USO, so maybe now's a good time to do that. 136 USO. Let's go. Oh my gosh, the spreads are so massive. I ain't touching that. We're looking at 4.7 to 6.1. There's not a chance I would touch that. I was looking at an Apple long maybe, but that seems pretty weak. I think I'll just stick with the Qs here. But I'm going to end this video, take a little breather, and we will see. Oh, here we go. Maybe I'll hold on a minute here. 729 Qs would be nice. Maybe I could just get one of those on a pullback here. USO rising, eh? Let me just put my USO. Here you go. Oh my gosh, USO is really going up. I don't know why the Qs are going up. I almost want to short this back down to 724. Maybe I'll go with 726. Makes no sense. Okay, I'm going in on a short on the Qs. Kind of lighter size. 726. Is that what I did? Yeah, 726 puts. They're already up 5%. I just get out of these pretty quick. Let me put my stop in here. What did I buy them at? 438s. 418 stop. Up 3%, 2%. It's kind of a dicey trade here. Okay, I should probably get out of these. Well, I had my opportunity to take my profits there and I didn't, so whatevs. But because USO is ripping to the upside, I don't really trust that it's going to go over here. And if it does, it'll be pretty temporary. Yeah, I'm going to end this video, count my money, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy Tuesday.